It's January 15th, 2025, and let's review the Tommy Bahama website. So immediately we get this pop-up as far as joining the email list. We can put our email and then sign up. It doesn't say anything about a discount, but we'll see. All right, so here's the homepage. On the top, we'll have men, featured new arrivals, clothing, shoes and accessories, fan gear, shops. So we have some college, NFL, baseball fan gear shop over here as well. So we have big and tall. I didn't know that. So they do carry, which is nice, big and tall. They have a section. Let's go take a look at some of the shirts. And then they have women, beach and home, and the resort edit. So let's go to big and tall shirts. And I'll give you a rough idea of some shirts. So here we have $148. So it has that Bahama feel, but palm trees. Here's a camp shirt for $138. This is a short sleeve. Some more palm trees, $138. We're scrolling down, $148. Very relaxed, thin, breathable cotton. Very light. Happy colors, $138, as if you're on vacation. So it does have that look, that feel, the blues, the white. Here's a simple t-shirt for like $50, big and tall. You can sort by material, size, sleeve length. Let's go to women. They do carry jewelry. I didn't know that. Here's some women. Let's go to jewelry. So they have earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. So inexpensive. You have some like hoop earrings for $34. This is a little bit more, like $60. And then we have some other hoop earrings, starfish earrings for $39. Okay, let's take a look at the fan gear. And then we'll go to beach and home. My internet's cutting out. All right, so we're gonna go back. Let's go to beach and home. So we have some candles. That's an expensive candle for $89 as opposed to the rest of the website prices. Here we have $60, a glass jar candle, a beach chair that says Tommy Bahama on it for $145. You have a table for $39. And then you get into like, they do have, I didn't even know they carry this. They have comforters. So reversible 3-piece king quilt set for $130. Then you have like a 4-piece king sheet set for $90. Not bad. You get some towels, some glasses. Oh, these are pretty. The martini glasses. And it comes in this cute little box. That's a nice gift for $64. You have a bottle opener. That's pretty cool for $42. I love this color, the big royal blue. It's a set of 2 beach towels for $50. That looks fun. All right, so there we go. And then I'm going to scroll down. You can click if you're doing your research on About Us. You can read their story here, explore. Here we're going to take a sneak peek of some of the job opportunities. They are all smiling. They are very happy. So let's take a look at some United States opportunities so we can smile and be happy with them. All right, so yeah, let's work in Florida. This looks like fun, or Las Vegas. All right, sales associate in Florida. Live the island life. I'm loving it. All right, so you have to have a high school diploma or GED. Be able to lift approximately 50 pounds. You can read more here. I'm just going to go quickly. Anything to salary? Sorry, guys, no salary. So you can probably take a look at another. Let's see. store manager. No, I don't see salary. All right, let's go back to the home page. All right, we're gonna shop Tommy Bahama. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. And then lastly, you're going to take a look at their, I only see Instagram and Facebook, but we're gonna try to find them on YouTube as well. So Instagram, here are some of their latest posts. Cheers to 2025, I like that post. And then we're gonna follow them. On YouTube, because I don't see a link. All right, I think this is them on YouTube. Possibly, I don't know, Tommy Bahama. Not sure, but this is only 2.23K subscribers, 10 videos. This could possibly be them. Instagram, let's see if this is a different Instagram. Might be. So a little confused. You'll let us know when you do. I'll follow them again. Your research as far as which is the right Instagram and YouTube channel. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.